Holy poop spreader. Let's see what's in here. I think there's poop in here. It smells like it. Should have cleaned this thing out all the way. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Farm, Fowl, and Fishing. We're gonna head out to the farm today and give the guys a hand out there. Sun's shining, the birds are chirping. It's a nice spring day here in West Michigan. And let's go get something done. While you're at it right now, push that like button for me. That really helps me out. Oh, Brandon needs to put some air in his tire. The old Cummins needs a little air in a tire. Well, we're out here at the shop. Nice and sunny, a little breezy, but it's nice and sunny. Glad to see the sun shining and the snow melting. Let's see what's going on in here. Just a bunch of sitting around. Look at that. Spreader fits right in there. Nice. Woo! Holy poop spreader. Let's see what's in here. I think there's poop in here. It smells like it. Should have cleaned this thing out all the way. Oh, tain't bad. Tain't bad. Cool. Well, that's the manure spreader. Poop goes in the top and it comes out the back. Right there. This is a really nice spreader too. It works great. Brandon and Jeremy are working on this axle here. They pulled the axle off. It's got these polyurethane bushings in them. Two of them. One goes in right, one's still actually right in here, and the other one goes on the other side. But they're just taking those apart to replace them. I think it's absolutely insane that there's no bearings. It is literally just those polyurethane bushings and then that big pin that goes through there. And that's what that whole thing rides on. I can't believe all that weight is just supported on those two polyurethane bushings. Yep. Wow. But hey, gotta get it fixed. So we get all the garbages taken care of in the shop. You know, they've all got pretty full since we started cleaning out all the hoard. So we're gonna get these forks taken off the skid steer. We're going to get all the garbages dumped into our dumpster, and that way the shop's a little cleaner. Got our bucket attached. We'll dump this wood out of here and we'll get all this garbage loaded up. Oh, it's gonna be a big fun festival today.
I'm gonna tell you a secret.
We're gonna clean this drain out. I don't even know the last time the drain was cleaned out, but we got oil and mud and speedy dry and brake clean and grease. Well, probably cat poop, but we might find something really cool. So we're gonna clean this out because it's time, and it's gonna be oh yeah, we're gonna find some tools in here.
Got an old metal detector?
Let's see what we find. I wish you could smell this.
And cleaned it out, but
It's
it doesn't go past there.
the smell is the worst part.
We're lucky you guys don't have a smell.
Describe
that smell.
Describe it.
Rancid. Rancid is a good start.
It's like
Chutney
mango
burnt.
chutney and burnt hair. It's bad. I mean, really, really bad.
I'm just glad he made it by himself like that. He probably didn't do that on purpose.
The drain probably hasn't been seen in 20 years.
Hey, now at one point I had this thing cleaned out a few times.
There was a socket.
Was there?
In there? In that screw. There's a bolt.
That should work. Oh, it's corruption, you know. It always comes down to corruption. Sorry about that.
Well, we got this drain all nice and cleaned out. Well, we're gonna clean the grates out as well. Yo! We got that drain cleaned out, and we pressure washed the grates that cover up the drain. I'm gonna get the bobcat. This is our T750 bobcat. I'm gonna get it pressure washed and cleaned up because it needs a bath real bad. Well, if that ain't one filthy job, I don't know what else there is. So we got the skid steer all cleaned up. We're gonna finish cleaning up the cement pad. We got the grates all cleaned here for the grates all cleaned here, and we got the drain cleaned out. I cannot. Me and Brandon were trying to figure out when was the last time this was cleaned. He says 2010. I thought it was sooner than that, but it could have been 2010. So there's 20 years that this, or 20. Come on, man. Don't you know any math? 10 years since that's been cleaned out. That's pretty gross. That's actually really disgusting. Yeah, so we're gonna go clean off the cement pad out front here. The sun's shining outside. It's just a really nice day, and I'm glad it's nice and I get to be outside. All right, let's get this cleaned up. Well, we got the cement cleaned off out there. We're gonna get the power washer hose picked up, get these grates put back in the drain, and see where we're at from there. Just make sure it's wound up nice. Push your power washer hose away. Keep everything nice and organized up in here so it ain't always a mess. It's all right working in a clean shop. It gets a little old working in a dirty shop all the time. Hey there! Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I sure do hope you're. Yeah. So hey, I really have been having a lot of fun making these videos, and I hope that you guys are enjoying watching them. If you can, right now, go down there and give me a like. I would really appreciate it. Hey, thank you, and I'm gonna keep putting out these videos for everybody. Trying to get a little more pizzazz or something in there, so they're not so like the teacher on Peanuts. Sometimes that's how I feel, like I just talk too much. I am just loving all this sunshine. Snow's melted. Waiting for the fields to dry up. We can get out there with some equipment and get working in the fields. I'm pretty excited for that. That was a fun little adventure on the farm. Got some things done, had a little fun. You could go down there and give me a like. And while you're at it, subscribe. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a sweet new video. Until the next time, see ya! We should probably work on putting tools away. Hey, look at this. Look at this, Brandon. Brandon.